Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how you can make up to $10,000 a month in 2019, and that is the best for beginners, or maybe you're not even a beginner, but this is the best method. And it doesn't even have to stay to $10,000 a month. It could be going way more, like way bigger, way faster. Some people are making millions of that method. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make $10,000 a month, and that is for beginners, for advanced people, anybody. I'm going to go through all the details that you need to know to actually make that kind of money. So you're going to be able to make money from 3 sources of income just really easily. If you use that method, like if you make $3,000 per month, that is how, like, per stream of income, you are going to be able to make $10,000 a month, which is quite, doesn't seem like that big of a deal anymore if you only make $3,000 per stream of income per month. Now, keep in mind that this doesn't come overnight. It's just like, some people just want the quick money. It's not something like that. It might take you months, it might take you years to actually build it up, but that is legit. That is something that you're actually going to be able to do for, years and years and years to come. So very, very important that you know that. Some people don't realize that, but that is how, like, you're going to make the money. It's by, focusing on something, and usually the longer it takes, the longer it will last. Because if you just make some quick money right away and then you never make any money, that is not very interesting to me. So instead, what you want to do is have something that's, really, sustainable, that will last. And if you continue to do this, it could potentially last forever. So what this is content marketing. So if you're unaware what content marketing is where you basically bring value to a lot of people. Think of people, like Dan Lok, Kevin David, all these people that are making millions and millions and millions of dollars, just by doing that. Grant Cardone, don't think that he has, he makes a ton of money of, real estate, don't get me wrong, but he makes even more money with content marketing. So what you're going to do is find a niche that you're interested in. It doesn't have to be, making money online or anything like that, but it can be something completely different. But you want to, create content and become an authority in your niche. So no matter if that's, making, videos or explaining how to do videos. Some people are doing travel videos. If you know how to travel for cheap, you could do that. Or, maybe it's traveling for more expensive. Maybe it's, cooking something. It really depends, and you can make a ton of money in, some industries that you would have never thought that you could actually make a ton of money. So, what you're going to do is you're going to focus on one platform, because one platform, that is very important. I see so many people make this mistake, and I was the first one to make this mistake, and that's why it took me so long to actually, start, being consistent on my YouTube channel, because I did not choose a single platform. You see all these people like Dan Lok and, Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, Kevin David, you name it. Like, all these people, you're going to say, yeah, but they didn't choose one platform. They are on Instagram, they're on Facebook, they're on YouTube, they're on this, they're on that. But here's the truth. they didn't start off with multiple platforms. They chose one platform. Maybe it was Instagram, maybe it was YouTube, you know, it doesn't matter, but they chose one single platform when they first started, and now they have a team because they built up that platform, and they were all, you know, they started hiring people, and most of the time they don't even, you know, post on Instagram, you know, maybe they do, maybe they don't, but then, you know, somebody else makes, you know, they film their video, and then that's done. Somebody else puts it together for them. You know, all these different things, all these different aspects, you know, other people are taking care of it for them because they have employees that do that for them. But if you're by yourself, you don't want to do that. You don't want to have like a Facebook group, you know, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, or anything. You only want to focus on one. For me, it's YouTube. The reason I chose YouTube is because, in my opinion, that is the best platform now. You know, you could do affiliate marketing on YouTube, which is what I talk about mostly, and that's, you know, in my opinion, that's the best way to make money online, even like if you're a beginner. And the reason this is because you don't have to take care of customer support. You know, like all these people that are angry at you because they don't receive their product, or, you know, you don't even have to ship out your products. You don't have to, you know, do anything like that. There's nothing to do. Like, people that are complaining, that's not your problem. You know, you don't have to ship out. All you have to do is refer people to a product. So, you know, if you don't know how to do this, I have a ton of videos on how to do affiliate marketing, and I'll try to link it, you know, in the description, or maybe it'll be at the end of this video, you know, in the squares up there. So you can check that out, you know, if you want to. But that is going to be your first stream of income. Now, the second stream of income could be, you know, Facebook ads not Facebook ads, you know, Google ads, you know, the ones that are on your YouTube channel. Now, keep in mind that you do have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, which I do not have at the point of filming this video. But if you continue to do this, and, you know, you continue to create really good content, you will eventually reach that threshold of, you know, 4,000 hours of watch time and, you know, 1,000 subscribers. And that's when YouTube will start pushing your videos. So don't get discouraged if, you know, your videos, you only get like 5 views or less, even like 3 views. Like, when I first started my channel, this was how it was working out. Like, I got 3 views on one video, and it was terrible. Like, it was not the only video where I got 3 views, but, you know, it starts climbing up. People start to, you know, watch your videos a bit more, and then, you know, eventually YouTube will promote your videos once you get monetized. Now, you don't have only like affiliate marketing, but you also have your ad revenue. So that's already 2 sources of income. And don't think that you can't make $3,000 of ad revenue, because, you know, it's quite easy to do that. Even if the first month you might get like $30, but, you know, YouTube will start promoting you even more, and then you'll just like shoot up. So, you know, it's not really hard to make $3,000 per month if you're doing that strategy. With affiliate marketing, you can make way more than $3,000 a month. You know, you'll probably scale, you know, higher than, you know, with ad revenue. So that's the second stream of income. And there are other ways to do that. Once you start being an authority in your niche, and people, you know, start listening to you, you know, you really know what you're talking about. Well, chances are you know what you're talking about when you first start. But if you don't, that's alright. Just say that you are learning and you want to, you know, show your journey. So then eventually you know what you're talking about. You know all the details. Like, you might not be the best in the world, because nobody is the best in the world. Nobody knows who the best in the world is, because people are always progressing and learning this or that way of doing that. But, you know, if you're really starting to get good at Photoshop or whatever it may be, then you could sell a course, and there you have 3 sources of income. And the course is like crazy. So many people that realize that you get so much money. And the people that realize that are like, yeah, but that's the only way that you make money. It doesn't matter. If you know how to, like, you know, do Photoshop and you've never made any money with Photoshop, well, that's your chance to make some money with Photoshop. So, you know, you just show people that, you explain how to do that, you make your course, you know, put it together really well, just try to serve everyone, and that will get known. So, you know, you just put that course and people will love it and they will download it. Even if you sell it for like $500, a lot of people will buy it. And that's like a low-balling courses, because a lot of people are $9.99. You know, if you sell 1,000 courses for $1,000, you just made $1 million. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not going to be easy to sell 1,000 courses to 1,000 people, but you know, if you sell quite a few courses, people sign up to your affiliate program, you know, people watch your videos and you get AdSense, that is how you're going to make some money. And after a while, and when you start really being consistent, and you know, YouTube doesn't take a whole lot of effort, you really start to make money, then you can reach out and start to, you know, like get people like, just like I talked about at the beginning of this video, you know, where people, you know, post for you on Instagram, they help you like do your thumbnails, they put together your videos, and you know, you don't have to put in much more work, and just people are just doing that for you. And then that's how a lot of people make a lot of money. Like, look at Kevin David, he does nothing different than this, and you know, he's making 8 figures per year, so it's not that big of a deal. And trust me, he's not the only one doing that, he's just the one that, you know, promotes it and says he does. But you know, trust me, there are a ton of people that actually do this. So if you want to go from 0 to, you know, $10,000, $100,000, $1 million, you know, 10 million, 100 million, like, this is probably the best method. It's very cheap. You know, there's nothing different than that. You know, if you want to, you know, get more into depth, I have, you know, videos on this channel about affiliate marketing and how you can do that. So, you know, watch those videos. You know, I think I made a video about ClickBank. You know, this does not only work with ClickBank, so you can watch that. You know, and I'll try to link it up there so that you can check that out. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.